Right, we'll try that round 2. Yes, I've got the fans plugged in. Right. It's going. Yuck. Those fans are hideous. Right. F2. Oh, those lights actually sinking. Can't really tell. Green, blue. No. Right, how am I? Well, 41 isn't too bad on the CPU, but I wanted it a little bit lower than that. Motherboard temperature 19. Yes, I did use some thermal paste. It is a 4-chamber piped cooler. Right. If anything doesn't look good here, let me know. And what's until RGB? No. I've got no idea. That's all. Yeah, let's start in the overclock when I don't know what I'm doing. Where's the okay, they don't call it. Is it XMP? No, that's Intel. What's the other one for? Where would that be? CPU. Here's all the specs. 6 core running 3.9. So it's just idling away. Processor family 19H. Okay. Oh, yes, you're right. I need to look at my BIOS and see what version I'm running. I probably missed it actually. FTM switch, AMD CPU fan, FTM. What the hell's that? Oops, cannot change anything there. Don't know what I'm doing. Tool, instant flash. FTPM. Okay. Hop out of there. Main. Microcode update. Is that what that one is for the BIOS? What's that temperature doing? 41 steady. I guess I will have to read the book. Advanced should be fan tuning. Okay, it's all fantastic. Okay, fan configuration. Well, it's basically fan tuning, isn't it? Yeah, silent mode. But as you can hear it, it's not that quiet. That's the power supply. That's the fans for CPU, and that's the GPU fan. Yeah, right. Tool. What have we got here? A lot. You can sanitize your tool. No, it won't be in there. Advanced onboard devices, storage, USB trusted. Will it be in here? No. It's tweaks. Get your details via QR code here, whatever. Yeah, I can't find. This must be my boss here. A5, no. Oh yeah, version there, duh, I'm looking at it right there. 3.4 Pro SE 3.4. Okay, I'll sure go online and have a look. But yeah, she's all going. Hurry monitor, 41 degrees, seems to be rock steady. Right, and we'll put that, oops, into that white case down there. Oh yay, a lot of fun. Right, we'll come back in the next episode once I've got it all in there and I've installed, I don't know, Windows 11 I suppose, and we'll see how it all goes. Give me a couple of days. Busy doing other bits and bobs. Lots of videos to upload. So I haven't uploaded anything decent lately, but here we go. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. Helps me out a lot, really does. Cheers.